Hey folks, today is going to be a really good day. My brother Mark is coming up to Fond du Lac and we're going to make some sausage. We did this several months ago and had a great time and made some pretty good sausage. Today, we're going to be making a whole bunch of different varieties of sausage and I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Can't wait for Mark to get here and then the fun will begin. This must be serious. He's backing into the driveway. He must have a load of pork butts in his car. Are you ready to make some sausage?
I am ready, Ty. Come to Rob's Soup and Sausage House. This is great.
Nice.
I brought a cool thing for you for a Throw It On Thursday.
Yes? What is that?
There's a recipe on the back of this Spam.
Oh.
See?
Ooh,
So for a
Yeah.
Throw It On Thursday, I think you should make this.
We'll have to think about that.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then here's some more just for the heck of it.
Thank you. You must have been to the Spam Museum.
Spam.
Cooler here.
Well, in here, I have 30 pounds
Wow, of pre-cut.
pre-cut and seasoned.
Did the butcher do that for you?
No, I had to do that all. It took me hours.
Well, let's grind this up.
Okay.
The grinding has begun. So Mark, we're about 3/4 of the way done with your first bag, and that seems like a lot of meat.
It looks like I overdid it.
Yeah, that's okay. We are at Mark's favorite part of making sausage,
Yes.
mixing this stuff up.
Extracting the proteins, I've been told.
And seeing as how Mark had this meat pretty well frozen when we ground it, his hands are experiencing pain like you only experience when you're ice fishing.
Yes, that's exactly what's going on. It's like ice fishing hands. Oh.
This is just the start of many cranks for Mark because we have a lot of sausage to make today. Mark has stuffed the container, ready for another big batch. He's doing pretty good with his bangers.
Bangers.
With that, I think Mark has finished his first batch of sausage. These are bangers. Now he just has to link them all up.
Wow. Yeah, I don't mind stubbies, no.
Okay. Well, okay, you are not.
Come on. Twist, twist, twist.
Ended up with a little stubby there at the end.
Well, I don't
Those
know.
are good snacks for.
In case you ever wondered what goes in the sausage.
That's it. So, Mark, how about some breadcrumbs?
All right.
This is the chicken Cordon Bleu sausage. Ooh, that changes it. Dump away.
Dump slow. You keep her mixing. Breadcrumbs in the chicken Cordon Bleu.
Who would have thought?
I hear it simulates the crust of a fried chicken Cordon Bleu.
Yes, absolutely delicious. It stuff's very weird.
Very.
It's very lumpy.
See,
And if all of it goes in there, oh well, we have a lot of Swiss cheese in our chicken Cordon Bleu because you have to have Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese and ham is chicken Cordon Bleu.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Cordon Bleu thing comes a little. You can feel the little ridges
Yep.
of the cheese and the ham.
Yep. And you know what? I think when you start cooking them, they all start melting together. So
Yeah,
glad we have plenty of casings.
you're right. This was a short casing.
And now we are making Polish sausage.
Polish.
Quite a pile of sausage you got there, Mark.
I do. This is, I believe, is this the Polish? I forget.
No, this is the German
This
Bratwurst.
is the German Bratwurst. Okay. It's been a long morning
It
here.
has been. It's a good morning of sausage making. Now it's time to taste what we made. I'm grilling a few of them here on my grill, and I got the chicken Cordon Bleu in the oven. German brat, Polish sausage, and banger. One thing we've been doing as we've been emptying out the sausage stuffer, the meat that was left at the bottom, we're gonna combine into one, I guess, super sausage. And that's probably gonna be a patty, but we're gonna give that a try too. So we have chicken Cordon Bleu. I'm guessing that might be the Polish sausage. That one there might be the banger, I don't know. And that one there is, what was the other thing you did? German brat.
It should be pretty interesting.
Time to try these out. We actually have these in the order we made them. First of all, the banger, the chicken Cordon Bleu. Next was the brat. Next was the Polish sausage, and then finally the brat. Right? The banger first.
Oh, the banger first. That's gonna be good.
Now, chicken Cordon Bleu.
I already know this is
look
gonna
at
be
I got a
good.
little ham right there.
Oh, you do. Oh yeah, I got a
and
little ham
Swiss
too.
cheese. Oh.
You should open the sausage shop.
I should. Man, that's good. Wow.
That is next level.
Polish sausage. Now, nothing beats Dad's Polish sausage, but I've had this stuff.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Yes, it is.
I love the texture on that.
Good.
And finally, a German brat.
Yeah,
Not sure how that is different than a Sheboygan brat, but I guess we'll see.
we'll see. Oh, I like that.
Another winner. Mark, we know what we're doing.
We got it figured out.
And now for our Frankenburger or Wapatui burger. I'm not sure what this is, but it's a mixture of all of our sausages combined into one.
Yeah.
This should be interesting.
I like how you use a $400 knife to cut your
This is only $50, Mark.
$50.
Patty's filming here. Give that a try. Let me know what you think. Who knows if I mixed it good enough. By the way, I got a piece of Swiss cheese in there. Okay.
It's edible.
It's edible. A little bit crispy because as we were tasting all those other things, I forgot that I had that on the grill.
You know, though, it gives it a good sear and crunch.
It does, yep. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah,
Mark, a successful day.
it was.
That's a lot of sausage.
It was a lot of work, too.
Yeah, but we had a rhythm there.
Yeah. The actual cutting up, we don't have any of that, but
No,
you saw the mixing and the grinding and the stuffing.
yeah. German brats, a winner.
Winner, yes. And chicken Cordon Bleu, come on.
And Polish, can't go wrong.
No.
We're Polish.
And the bangers, they're a very interesting, mild breakfast sausage. They're going to
Yeah.
be good. Yeah.
Gonna enjoy all these.
So sausage parties are fun.
They are. It was an amazing day.
It was.
Had
I
a
had
really
a
good
good time.
We got to do this again. Next time, maybe when the sun's not in my eyes. But
Yeah.
that's okay too.
Yeah, a lot of nice innuendos were thrown about.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
very good.
A lot of those won't make it onto this final video.
Well, that's good because
Yeah.
some of them were pretty bad.
Us and sausages, you know?
It's my brother.
My brother. Love ya.
Love you,
Hey,
brother.
having a great day. Hope you guys are too. See you next time.
Bye.